1991 Ford Ranger XLT. Ignition's out, and I'm gonna show you guys how to start it without using your ignition. If you guys don't already know this, it's a pretty simple trick. You just want to have your car in the on position. Have a screwdriver with the rubber side. You're gonna want to pump your hood. Hood pop. Once you get the hood popped, come to this starter solenoid right here, this thing. It's usually right here on the passenger panel, but if it's not, sometimes it's located on the right side. Come over here, touch these two bolts together. Be careful, don't want to get shocked. And just like that, it's all started up. That's how you get it started, using the starter solenoid to start it when your ignition's out.